See, there are some companies out there right now, very, very successful companies in the world of communications, in the world of functional beverage, in the world of glycobiology and skincare. And I'm going to talk about some of the more successful because you know what? There are good companies out there that are having a lot of success. In communications, we could talk about an ACN or a 5-Links. When it comes to nutrition, we could talk about Noni and Zango with their functional beverages. We could talk about Manitech and USANA with their nutritional products. We could talk about Nu Skin and Arbonne with their skincare products. These are all very, very successful companies. I have the utmost respect for the success they've had. $200, $300, $400, $500 million per year in sales. You better believe those companies are doing something right. But the problem is, we feel that they could still improve upon a couple of things. So I'm going to ask you a couple of questions. What if we were able to go out there and provide you with a better quality of product, better quality, better potency for half the price? Would that get your attention? More importantly, for those of you involved in the industry, have you ever been frustrated because representatives on your team called you complaining about the fact that they couldn't actually get any customers because the products were too expensive? Or maybe they were busy getting their friends and family introduced to the products only to find out that they could go down to a Walmart or a Target and get them for half the price? Have you ever been frustrated that the products maybe didn't deliver everything you were promised? See, if you've ever been frustrated and you've been dealing with those frustrations from representatives on your team, I urge you to take a look at this. We have improved upon the products not just from a quality and a potency standpoint, but we're guaranteeing with a side-by-side comparison to deliver a better product for half the price of our competition. Imagine being able to get a bottle, a functional beverage, a bottle of juice with a better quality and potency than any of our competition for half the price. I'm talking about a better price both to our representatives and to our end users, the retail customers. I'm also talking to those of you in the world of communications. See, I know all about residual income. I've been involved in this industry for over 17 years. And see, my question to you is this: how much residual income do you truly earn? See, because when people talk about how much money they make, how much money they earn, they lump in a lot of different bonuses. And see, we've changed the way you get paid in communications. Forget all about the term residual income. What if we said we can guarantee to pay you the next 30 to 50 years, not months, the next 30 to 50 years, up front with no chargebacks? See, we're going to say to anybody, regardless of your success in another company, regardless if you've tried and quit the industry, we want you to come back and take a look. No investment, no risk. On top of that, we will compete in the world of communications, nutrition, and skincare with better products, better quality, better pricing, and a better compensation to you as a representative. We've invested the money so you don't have to.